Oh my gosh, so are you getting a whole bunch of low back pumps from maybe excessively arching or just from deadlifts in general? Well, my name is Dr. Grant Elliott, here to talk to you about low back pumps from deadlifting, and that most likely you are overarching through this motion. So a lot of people do this, and I know we talk all the time about neutral spine and wanting to keep things down and together, but it's easier said than done, right? So here's two things that you can do right now to learn how to accomplish exactly what I'm saying and get rid of those low back pumps. So we're gonna lay on the ground, okay? The first most important topic of this video is belly breathing, or a big belly. I talk about this all the time, okay? So I'm gonna lay right here. I'm gonna push my low back into the ground. So see that? Here's off the ground, here's into the ground. When I breathe, I want my belly to fill when I inhale, so big when I inhale, and then fall when I exhale. So I'm gonna use my hands to cue this. Watch my hands, okay? That's the kind of breathing that I want to master in order to move on to the next steps and many other steps that may be involved in your recovery process. What this is doing is it's filling the abdomen with air so that I can properly stabilize my spine, and by keeping my low back into the ground, it helps me to be able to build more pressure. So master this. Now, when you get that concept down, we're gonna transition that into the dead bug movement, a movement that I love. So while keeping that low back down and that belly full, now I'm gonna pick both legs up. And I could practice with just the legs if I wanted, and I'm just gonna rotate one leg down at a time while keeping that low back into the ground. Rotating one leg at a time, nice and easy. Continuing to breathe through the belly, but keeping that pressure. Notice how my belly is not getting smaller. It's not going, and getting nice and small as I do it. I don't want that, or bad and small, I should say. It's staying big and rotund as I go through this. And in this position, my spine is neutral. I'm learning how to move my arms and my legs without moving through my spine. My spine is maintaining neutrality. Now, when I have this mastered, and I can keep that low back into the ground and keep my belly big with pressure the whole time, now I apply this exact same principle to the deadlift. Okay, so now, let's take those same principles. I approach the deadlift bar. Now I know, hey, this isn't a good position. I'm gonna keep my ribcage down, belly full, just like the dead bug. I'm gonna hinge through, keep that belly big, neutral spine positioning. And now when I go through my deadlifts, not only am I stronger, more powerful, I feel better doing it, I'm safer doing it, and I don't have any low back pumps. Give these movements a try. Learn how to belly breathe. Learn how to properly brace your core, master your dead bugs, master all these mechanics so that you can carry it over, have a better feeling deadlift, we can strengthen your low back, and ultimately, you can fix your low back.